Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about Clinique because from September 11 to September 17, Nordstrom will have a gift with purchase. Clinique gift with purchase. You spend $35 and you will get it all this stuff what's inside. And let's talk. What do we get in? Well, first of all, you're gonna have a brand new makeup bag, clean, fresh. Please throw away your old one. Then you're gonna have inside traveling size of eye makeup removal from Clinique. Then we're gonna have a beautiful eye cream. It's a hydrating eye cream. It's named All About Eye. It's for puffiness, for dark circles, and it's also primer for your concealer, or you can use even for eyeshadow. You have a gel moisturizer. Also, you have inside overnight hydration mask. I really like this mask. It's not expensive, and you have another 3 items inside: mascara, blush, and lip gloss. Also, I'm gonna show you in this video how I use in Clinique liquid eyeliner. It's one of my favorite liquid eyeliner. Okay, let's start. Let's start first talk about this beautiful bag. Beautiful colors, clean, and it have a zipper. Also inside, of course, we have a free gift with purchase. You need to spend only $35 to receive this everything. But girls, I want to mention on my channel, you should not keep your makeup bag for rest of your life. I see so many customers, and I know even my friends, they have for like 10 years or 15 years same bag. Oh, I'm sorry, yes, I do like expensive little bags since makeup, but if you buy this Christian Dior or if you buy Louis Vuitton makeup bag, you really need to understand after few months, you need just throw away. Do not spend makeup bags of lots of money, because again, they keep bacteria. 5, 3, 6 months, 1 year, if your makeup bag you can wash, just throw away. Okay, but what's inside of our bag? Inside of our Clinique bag, we have a free gift with purchase. Let's open together. We have inside eye cream, and it's all about eye. I never tried, it's my first time. I'm gonna try right now. Oops. Okay, how it feels. Feels really, really, really light, but same time it's creamy. I am gonna buy some probably liquid eyeliner, some acne product for my daughter. I also like lip liner from Clinique. I like happy fragrance. Little items I do like from Clinique, but I really want to try this eye cream before I buy in full size, because it's for puffiness, for dark circles, and it's also like it's a primer for your makeup. And again, it's named All About Eyes, fragrance free, paraben free. Don't you love this? And another item in this bag, and its name is Moisturizer. It's an overnight mask. I will put my serum and moisturizer first, and then I will put at night this product on top. What it does is give you hydration, and again, I really like it's fragrance free, paraben free. What is next? Next we have a gel moisturizer. I tried this It's good, it's very light. It's not give me enough moisture like I like. I'm gonna give you this moisturizer for my daughter. It's actually good when you buy and gift with purchase some items which one it's not right for me. I can give it to my daughter and she can start feeling this little luxury. Eye makeup remover, perfect for your travel. It's a perfect travel in size, and this is eye makeup remover for your eyes, for your lips. Also, we have a little items which one I'm gonna try right now. Of course, I love makeup. We have a beautiful inside lip gloss. We have a blush, and it's Check Pop number 14 Heather Pop. This is its name. And we do have mascara, high impact mascara. I actually on purpose don't have anything on my lashes, and I have only neutral lip liner, and of course I'm gonna try this blush too. And then I will show you one of my favorite products from Clinique, and it's gonna be liquid eyeliner. Okay, it's a blush brush. It's so pretty. Look at it, it's like a flower. How they make this blush, very pretty. I love this color. How describe it? It's kind of like a light plummy pinky. It's a perfect color for fall to me. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit on my cheek. Color is very pretty, beautiful. You can see where I have blush, and here I do not have. What I like it is rosy on my cheek, and what I like it's give me nice beautiful glow without shimmer, fragrance free. Very looks beautiful. Wow, it's actually first time I experience Clinique blush, and I'm not just like it, I really like it. I feel a little bit guilty. I will have some blushes like $100, and I'm pretty sure Clinique is not too expensive. This is beautiful blush. Also, I will show you a little bit trick. I put a little bit, and this color, sorry, it's not go too aggressive, too pigmented, very soft, very pretty. Okay, I have a little bit left on my blush. What I do, I'm gonna just put a little bit on my eye area. My blush connect with my eyes a little bit more pop. They look right now a little bit more blue. I don't know if you can see or not, but again, I don't even use a big brush. This is my blush brush, and my eyes looks really good. But what's next? Now let's do this little bit lip gloss. Tiny, very pretty. Again, if it's not your color, but I think anyone can use this color. You can give it to your friend, you can give it to your daughter, or you can try and experience, see how you really like it formula. Feels very moist. It's really good. It's very moisture feels, and it's not really like tacky or sticky. Perfect. I love it. Okay, next I'm gonna show you one of my favorite liquid eyeliner in Clinique, and I'm gonna show you how I apply. I don't do crazy eyeliner. I do something very easy, very easy. Okay, let me put just a little bit mirror, and I want you to see all what we're gonna do. Just press, and what it does is gonna make my eye more sexy. Okay, look it. Just press. Now I'm gonna turn, and again. I'm not gonna do very crazy, very soft line, not too big. Okay, now I'm gonna a little bit lift my eye. Again, how I apply it, I just press. If you have a little bit mess up in a corner, you can just get a little like Q-tip or little bit brush. Like I have a little bit brush and I'm gonna clean. But now you can look at one my eye with eyeliner liquid and without liquid. Okay, let's do another eye. Again, all what we're gonna do, just do very easy. We're gonna just press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn. 1, 2, 3, and do very little steps like we're doing with you right now. Very little step. Okay, we talk about eye cream. It's a great hydration. We talk about this beautiful lip gloss, moisturizer, eye makeup remover, overnight mask. But we also have one more item inside. We have a little traveling size mascara, and it's a volume mascara. I'm very have already brands which one I dedicate, or I knew it's my favorite mascara, but let's try this one. I don't have any primer on me. We just applying this mascara on my, we'll say, naked eyelashes. I will tell you, it looks very natural for me. Today my eyes my makeup look very soft, and it's a perfect mascara for me. But if I will wanna really dramatic mascara, I don't feel this mascara is give me this big volume like I expecting from volume mascara. But I will tell you, this is perfect mascara for my bottom lashes. I like brush, it's very small. It's also don't look clumpy. It looks like perfect. I look very natural, very soft. This is actually, I like this look. I feel I look very young. This is mascara. It's not my favorite mascara for volume mascara, but it's definitely amazing for my bottom lashes. I finish my look using all this free stuff from Clinique. Again, it's a gift with purchase. You spend $35 and you will receive all these products with just I showing you. And I wanna say thank you to Nordstrom and Clinique for sponsoring this video. And again, gift starts September 11 to September 17, only 1 week. Please call me, text me, email me. I will send you home. It's free shipping, and if you spend more than $80, you will receive another gift from Clinique. Okay, just please let me know, and I will tell you all details of step up gift from Clinique. Okay, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Katya Beauty Style channel. Bye.